Welcome to the IPEX UCE mobile application video for Android. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for Android devices. When first entering your app, you will need to log in with your credentials. If you have already logged into the app today, you will not need to re-log in, you can just open the application to take you straight through. To change your information, select My Information. This gives you the option to change various settings. If you wish to change your presence setting, click on the My Presence option. You can then choose from a range of statuses that allows your colleagues to see if you are unavailable for calls. Select the phone status option to change your phone status, currently set to idle. To put your phone into Do Not Disturb mode, press the checkbox next to DND. To set a call forward, check the box next to the call forward, after which you will be prompted to enter a forward number. To return to the previous screen, simply press the back arrow on your device. If you have any questions regarding your UCE application, please contact your telephony provider.